Welcome guys to my new video, and today I want to quickly show you how to resolve any phone that is overheating when you're using the phone. There are sometimes this phone gets hot whenever I'm using the phone, so I want to resolve the issue now. So guys, watch carefully and see what I will do. It is very simple for you to do it. This paste is in charge of helping the phone not to get hot whenever you're using the phone. So when this paste dry, the phone will be heating up whenever you're using the phone. This can cause the phone temperature to rise to a certain point whereby the phone will show temperature too high and the phone will shut down. Guys, can you see this paste is completely dry, is no more functioning again, so I need to change the paste and put new one. The name of the paste is Zinc paste, so it's just a processor paste. Just go to a computer shop and buy a processor paste. It's going to work 100% guaranteed. So what you should do is for you to clean this one and put a new paste. So watch me live changing it right now. Make sure you apply the paste on the e-zinc. Can you see? Apply the paste on the e-zinc. Guys, can you see? I'm with the e-zinc paste now, and let me show you how to quickly apply it. Guys, can you see? Just put it. Yeah, can you see? Make sure that it is not all that much. Yes, put it here and also put in the other one. Guys, can you see? Then put in this other side too. Yeah, you are done. Guys, for you to fix it, you have to be very careful. Guys, you have to be very careful. Guys, please take your time to couple the phone. Do not rush. Take your time to couple the phone. Fix the panel very well. Then fix the nut. Make sure you fix all the bolts. Fix it. Fix the nut. Everything. Fix it very well. Yes, can you see the flex? The screen socket. Make sure you plug everything. Take your time to do it. Don't rush. Can you see? Fix all the bolts, the nut, everything. Fix it. Guys, fix the fingerprint sensor. Take your time to do this, guys. Don't rush. Fix everything normal. Network connector. Battery. Plug the battery. Okay. Now put the panel cover. Okay. Fix the bolts, everything. Take time to do it, guys. Please take time to do it. One thing about phone repair is that if you don't take time to do it, you might just forget something or forget to put nuts or IC or something else. So take time to work any of your customer phone so that your customer can enjoy your work. Right, guys, as you can see now, the phone is fully done, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. So see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.